Hello everyone, welcome back to the word of the day. Actually, yesterday we had missed it due to certain formalities, certain academic reasons. Uh, this particular period is crucial for the CBSE or the ICSE schedules, so you may easily understand what kind of academic pressure might be going through a teacher. However, this is a peculiar scenario where I have to cover at least two sets of the words of the days, comprising the selective words from yesterday's archive. That means from 25th of March, and this particular day. That means 26th of March. So quickly, just have a look at them. You know, the Merriam-Webster archive suggested a very interesting word, undulate, to be the word of the day for 25th of March 2026. Now, what does it mean? It's a movement or swinging in a wavy pattern. Now, if we try to look at the etymology of the word, we will see undulate has a typical relationship with its Latin root unda, unda, which means water or sort of wavy surface. Now, if we look at some of the modern words, just listen to them carefully, abound or surround. Over here also we are finding out the cluster of the letters UND. Now, typically this cluster of UND has nothing to do with the root Latin word that I just recently uh, upheld. Interestingly, these words also mean some sort of wavy orientation in terms of circulating something. So it's typically they are not having any connection, the ancient root and the modern usage of the words, but as per the parameter of the sounds, they are somehow relatable on the basis of the meanings. However, the word of the day that was upheld yesterday from the archive of dictionary.com was harangue. That means an extensive public speech which is particularly made before the gathering or assemblage of the people. As you see, the election situation is going on, therefore, we will have to listen to a lot of harangues from the heavyweights. Sounds interesting. You can easily understand what I am trying to say about. Now, if we just take a look at today's word of the day from our first archive, that is Merriam Webster, it is zany, typically an over accented one, over exaggerated one. That is what it is meant by the word zany. And the dictionary.com suggests a very interesting term, lapidify, turning something into the stone. Have you ever been acquainted with W.B. Yeats's Easter 1916 or The Second Coming? Quite recently, I was going through these assignments due to one of my class-based engagement with a curriculum of Calcutta University, and over there, both of the poems of W.B. Yeats were actually upheld from time to time due to their due discourse within the panel of the discussion. Over there also, we can find out the image of immobilization. So that is typically the word lipidify. Thank you so much.